Hello, everybody. This is yours truly, the Forex Rockstar. I hope you guys can see my screen there. The account balance is 1,120 USD, and I'm sitting at a profit of 2,256 USD. Unfortunately, today I could not share this signal with people who are my students. I was seeing that the market was quite volatile for my liking. I remember one of my students who WhatsApped me and said, any signal for today? And then I'm like, man, I don't urge you to trade because, volatility, the way we handle it, is different. I was not liking the volatility at all. But, I placed this trade and then I left. I didn't put so much money into the account. As you can see, it's 1,000. But you see that I caught the high of the day from the top over there. Unfortunately, it's a 1 hour time frame, but I caught the high of the day, as you can see. I'm thinking of checking out. That's the reason why I'm sharing this video with you. I'm thinking of checking out of this trade because of what I'm seeing in the market. I was in more profit, about 3,000, but then it is coming up now. Nonetheless, it is what it is. I'm proving to you guys once again. Some people are always arguing and telling me you need to put your results on this and that, put on my FX book, whatnot. I mean, I'm not here to impress anybody. I'm just here to open people's eyes, and that's what I'm going to continue doing, opening people's eyes, and letting them see the light. I believe so much in simplicity. I believe so much in simplicity. This is the simplest approach of the market. Nothing beats this. Catching the low of the day and the high of the day, nothing beats that. So that's one of the reasons why I'm trading this approach. It's very simple. It's very simple. It's very simple. So that's 100% of my account made right about now. My account has been doubled or rather tripled. So it is what it is. God bless you. I love you so much. Keep shining, keep winning. We all deserve to win. Each and every one of us deserves to make money in the Forex market. So keep shining, keep making money, and God bless you. I love you so much. Yours truly, the Forex Rockstar, signing out.